Hello everyone, my name is Gino from Gigi Cooks Healthy Meals, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken cobbler. Yes, it's going viral all over TikTok and it's very easy to make. So let's get into it. This is what you're going to need: 1 rotisserie chicken, 1 bag of frozen vegetables, I use peas and carrots, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 can of chicken broth, Cajun seasoning, 1 box of Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, 2 cups of milk, and I've included the recipe at the end. Spray your pan with avocado non-stick spray. Next, you're going to add your rotisserie chicken that you have shredded and put in a 9x13 pan and spread it out evenly. Add your 1 bag of frozen vegetables. I used peas and carrots here. You could also use peas, carrots, and corn. To that, you're going to add 1 can of condensed cream of chicken soup. Get all of that out of the can, spread it all around so it's nice and even. Now in that empty can, you're going to add 1 can of chicken broth. Mix it up and add it to the mixture. I then added about 2 tablespoons of this Cajun 2-step. You add as much as you like. I would also add some salt and pepper. In a separate bowl, you're going to add 1 box of this Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix and add 2 cups of milk to that. Add the seasoning pack that comes with it, and you're going to stir this with a whisk until it's fully blended. Pour it over your mixture, get all of that out. This is what it's going to look like before it hits the oven. Set your oven at 425 degrees for 30 minutes. I'm going to place that in the oven and close the door. 30 minutes has passed. Let's take it out and see how delicious this looks. Listen to that crunch. Let's take a piece of this out and plate it up. That looks simply amazing and easy to make. This is my version of chicken cobbler. I hope that you think that it's delicious. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share my channel, and click on that bell notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time. I'm gonna leave some suggestions for other videos that you can watch as well. Have a great day.